nagkamali sila na ako yung tinapat sa confidential funds at saka sa COA because, hey man, hindi ko kayo palulusutin. I will speak the truth. And the documents speak the truth. You don't like my style, you don't like my whatever one-liners, but you don't have to like me. Just look at the evidence. The evidence speak the truth. And that is the challenge to the whole impeachment process. Confidential funds pa lang yan. Paano yung ano? Yung grave threats. The video spoke the truth. Hindi ba? Kailangan pang interpret yan. And I'm very happy that the NBI already filed a case, no, for grave threats. No? Wala pa tayo sa unexplained wealth. Pupunta tayo dyan sa unexplained wealth. No? Kayo na hindi, you who cannot even feed your 5 kids. No? Yung hindi mo mapakain yung anak mo. Di ba? Isipin mo na ninakaw, kanya ka ganyan, ninakaw yung pera. Ninakaw yung pera ng opisyalis na to. So it has to translate into a message that will touch their daily lives. Hindi yung pare-pareho naman yan. No, let's break that cycle of pare-pareho lang naman yan. And that is the challenge to us, prosecutors.